Here's how to get and use the Higgsfield free trial. First, visit the official Higgsfield website and open the pricing page. Click Get Free Trial to begin the sign-up process. Next, choose your preferred currency and payment method. You can pay using link or enter your debit or credit card details. After entering your information, click Start Trial and complete the verification. Once your payment is confirmed, your free trial will be activated. To create a video, open the video section and choose a generation model. If available, Seedance 2 is one of the most advanced options for high-quality results. Before generating, adjust settings such as duration, aspect ratio, resolution, and bitrate to match your project. Now click Upload Media and select the image or first frame you want to use as a reference. Enter a prompt describing the scene you want to generate, then review your settings. If your plan includes it, enable unlimited mode, then click Generate. Once the video is ready, preview the result and download it if you're satisfied. You can also open the motion control section to reuse motion from previously generated videos, making it easier to create consistent animations across multiple projects. That's all for this video. Thanks.